What you doing? What you doing?
Come on, Ryan. Let's follow the ocean.
Yeah, can you move the coffee table a little bit? You're doing good there, bud. You're doing really good, but you can't go through the couch. You can't go through the couch.
This way. Away. Ryan.
Off the table. Yeah, are you stuck again? Is he stuck again, Ryan?
Yes.
Then
He's caught.
Okay.
Hey, look at his head from up here.
You like to look at his
Really
head?
fun.
Oh, he's hurting. There he goes.
Try this way.
Yeah, I think it's going to get stuck
Wait.
there.